Chris Vincent with Sotheby's International Realty Canada and Banff Canmore here with our first quarter 2018 market recap. A little bit slower start to this year over last year for sure. So first quarter this year we saw 103 transactions, which is down about 26% from last year. There's 139 in Q1 2017. Overall, though, in the big picture, the market is fairly balanced. There's about 5.5 months of inventory across the market, which is just into the balanced market territory for us. For the first time since September 2016, townhouses are now in balanced territory. So we are seeing a little bit of a stabilization of prices, as well as the real blistering pace that happened last spring and through last summer seems to be cooling down a little bit at the moment. Currently, there's 177 active listings on the market, which is still relatively few in the big picture. And that's only 3 more than at this time last year when there was 174 active listings. So it's not like we're seeing a large surge of new product coming to the market. A couple of reasons to account for the slower sales would be the change of the mortgage rules, the rising interest rates. It has been a really snowy and cold spring so far, and I think that has put off the start of the spring season, definitely. As well as some of the statistical outliers will be that there's a number of developer sales that aren't being registered on the MLS, which we would typically have seen on the MLS system before, but now we've got a bunch of new developments happening that we're just not seeing the sales registered. Prices, though, are still holding relatively stable, and when looking at some of the most recent sales in March of this past year, a couple of examples are 228 Benchlands, last sold in September of 2015, saw about a 15% increase in value. 127 Moraine Road, sold in April of 2015, saw an 11% increase in value. 56 Ridge Road, sold in July of 2014, saw a 17% increase in value. And 107 Montaigne Road, a visitor accommodation unit, last sold in May of 2014, saw a 115% increase in value. As we move further into the April and into the spring market, we expect to see sales start to pick up a bit. I don't think we'll see the same blistering pace that we saw last year. And we'll see what's in store for Q2 of 2018.